season on Sister Wives.
Sister Wives is officially back September 20th. I have seen your tags. What are we in for? Well, in this recap, a big fat I told you so, but before that, Al Gore.
I have never done speed dating before.
Yes. I have. You're not missing much.
So just do that when you walk in tonight.
What's your love language?
My love language is physical touch. He's handsome, so there's that.
I'm super serious. Like, Man Bear Big would agree. Like, it's uncanny, isn't it? And that's no shade. But I was like, whoa, what is the 45th Vice President of the United States doing here? It's so similar.
You and Kody could hang out.
No.
I didn't think that.
You can really help it. Now, while that'll be hilarious, and I understand it's good TV, but can we look at this from a realistic perspective? There is no reason for David and Kody to hang out. They obviously will not like each other. And I, as David, would not want to hang out with Kody if he treated someone I loved that terribly. The storyline is stretching. We're stretching. It's like taffy, except it may not taste as good at the end.
I think I need to get out.
Yes, you
Change
do.
up your hair a little bit. Kind of a new Janelle.
We talked about the spiritual divorce, and I think I'm ready. I love that you're doing this, Janelle.
I'm ready too. That's what I'm excited to see. Not the same old tired storylines and whatever, because of course Coyote Pass is going to be a huge thing. But I want to see Janelle like, I'm free now. I'm going to do all this. Now, remember that I told you so? I've been saying something for years. And everyone argues with me, including Cody's ex-wives. And I told you.
I got another one of those emails from some woman asking sort of like to get to know us for the purpose of joining the family.
I've been saying for literal years, much to the argument of many people, one woman, it's an ego thing. It was never about the book and the thing and whatever. But before I do this, I told you so. I actually need to clear my throat.
Number 44.
Woo! 44, that's me! Get some cold cuts, get some cold cuts, get some cold cuts. Woo! Give me some!
I'm not saying he's going to take one, but I was saying he was going to try. And then, like I said about the whole Coyote Pass thing, we had actually talked to Meri. I did it live with her, and she was like, yeah, that's a huge part of the storyline this season.
Kody called. He said that somebody wants a couple pieces of the property. Does your money ever go into his hands? It better not go through his hands.
We're going to close on Coyote Pass soon.
Finally!
I'm not selling this land until everything is perfectly fair and we do this the right way. Sorry.
Sorry, what was that? Oh my God, I can't wait to see some of your reactions to that particular part. Bring them to me, tag me. Wow, we feisty this season. Then, of course, they're going to have the final standoff at Coyote Pass. Don't get me wrong, I'm so glad they're taking care of this, but, like, honestly, how many years has it been Coyote Pass? They bought it in, what, 2018? I mean...
Standoff at the Coyote Pass final showdown. There's been more effort put into creating pain and hurting each other. Makes me angry.
Angry? I thought you were bashful. A little bashful. I can't keep up from season to season. I don't know. She-Ra, are you coming too? I don't know. But I also called it, and I'm not gonna I told you so as hard as I did, but of course, we're gonna do the redemption arc for Kody too. And TLC, come here. I know you're here. There is no arc that can redeem this man, okay?
I would love healing with Janelle. I would love healing with Christine.
I don't want to talk to Kody ever again.
And
How
that's
much
okay.
longer until you just realize that he's an ass? He wants to see me. I really want to tell him that we'll never be friends.
I told you the redemption arc was going to happen. Lots of people agreed on that one because we already saw it happening last season, right? But you have to get the redemption arc in because I would bet you dollars to donut this is the last season. And he's got to make sure he has a career. I mean, of course, there's probably one episode of that Special Forces, whatever. But, you got to think big picture, especially when you just bought a brand new Mercedes.
I wanted to apologize with all my heart.
Okay.
I said I didn't love you. No, it wasn't true.
Then why are you smiling?
Is there any part of you that would ever go back to Kody?
Girl, you better say no.
I'm not trying to make us back together in any way, Meri.
We are never, ever, ever getting back together.
Taylor Swift mentioned.
Listen, I have this wife. Her name is Robyn, and she would never let me do anything naughty. As bad as I want to do it.
And just like that, it's clear he's the exact same person. If the only thing keeping you from doing something bad is your wife and maybe a book that you pretend you read, obviously you have no moral compass. So like, not a brag. I'm changing backgrounds. So that comes out September 20th. We'll be covering it like usual. However, let's all manifest this is the last season together. Let's take a moment. Okay, moment taken. I'll see you then, and I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you for tagging me.